you look at the other emerging economy, where would India stand?
India is a tough market. Let's assess that both from the customer point of view and from an ecosystem point of view. You need to give some time in the initial stage, then you can take that grasp non-linearly. But a lot of companies do this mistake of being very aggressive in the beginning. So I think one word is patience.
So we've had the PLI schemes coming in, Mr. Balaji. How has that helped the automotive industry? And my basic question was, will this lead to technology upgradation, or we will just see expansions happening of existing facilities?
It should not bring in something just to promote a technology. It should be useful. Usefulness comes in when you expand the capacity. So in a way, PLI has taken care that to get you bring in technology, to keep it going, you need to add capacity.
About skilled manpower availability, still even for the Indian companies, it is still a challenge.
Yep.
Tell me, Mohini, how do you see the industry-academia collaboration? Can more be done in this? Is enough being done from the academia? Are we able to get engineers who are fit for the job? Because I think that is where the lacuna is. We have a lot of graduate engineers, but very few who are really fit for the job.
Yeah, absolutely. I completely agree with this. And I don't know the situation in Germany. Maybe it is similar because, but maybe it is not. But in our country, yes, we have to make them job ready. The training specific to the company has to be given. But from IMTMA, we have the finishing school, which makes any graduate ready for the industry.
Let me come to you now. We talk about United Machining Solutions. Let's say next 5 years, where do you see United Machining Solutions India? What are the plans for India?
The next 5 years, we will keep on supporting our Indian customer base with advanced machines. We will keep on what we tried to the last 15 years, coach our customer base, make a CapEx decision not based on the one-time price, but on the total cost of ownership over the lifetime, because we are convinced this will increase the competitiveness of the customer internationally if they look at it under this way. And obviously, we try to gain market shares. It's our job to do that. And based on the development over the last 5 years, the higher the volumes we can do, the higher are the chances and opportunities to localize some of the equipment.
Now, as I mentioned, Sharon, I've been in India for long. So with your experience about India, Roland, what would be maybe 2 pieces of advice you can give to many of the companies here who may be looking to come to India in the next phase?
Well, the most important decision you ever make is about the location, where to set up your operation. And the setup of the location has to be suitable for your business, suitable for your type of product. You has to have the resources you require, and like the primary resources, you need suppliers, you need components and the like. But what you know, what you need, and what I advise to think ahead of time is a network.
Have a little rapid fire round just to add a fun element to it. So Ravi, let me start with you.
I'm opening the
Opening words.
So I'll give you 4 options, Ravi, and then you could select amongst this option. The ultimate measure of Indo-German manufacturing success is, number 1, even German engineers say this is perfect. Number 2, Indian costs with German quality and 0 complaints. Number 3, supply chain so smooth that even monsoons can't disrupt them. And the last one, when Made in India stickers make German customers smile. what would be your choice?
I'll take the fourth one. More from, we were a German company. So we worked for that transformation. It was a fixed company. And yes, the expectations are tough. But the expectations are now different than what it was 20 years ago from a German to an Indian. Right? So I think we have an opportunity.
Mohini, coming to you now. The biggest challenge for Indo-German manufacturing partnership is, number one, time zones. Germans sleep when Indians want to send WhatsApp. Quality standards, close enough or good enough versus precisely 0.001 millimeter. Number three, bureaucracy, Indian paperwork versus German documentation. And number four, food. No one can agree whether to go for vada pav and chai or beer and sausages. So what are the challenges?
No,
Which one would you take?
I don't agree with the rest, but the quality issues, yes. The food, I'm very happy with the food here, and so are my friends.
Roland, coming to you now. German companies investing in Indian manufacturing are most surprised by, first option, how quickly, if possible, becomes no problem. Number two, the number of festivals that affect the production schedule. And number three, engineers who debug with intuition and fix with innovation. So which one would you say?
I'm a little bit torn. I'm a little bit torn between 1 and 3.
Okay.
I have to say that the festivals is not really an issue. I think
Yeah, exactly.
that's something everybody can handle and maybe also appreciate. I think. Well, you have to exercise caution on one hand, and you have to accept other people's mindset and culture, and that's very important. You cannot get into a foreign country or foreign society and expect it the way you are used to for half a lifetime or a lifetime. You have to adopt. And adoption and flexibility, I think that's the key, to be success in any operation you might end up taking.
Perfect. Paul, coming to you now. The ideal Indo-German manufacturing team meeting includes pretzels, samosas, and productivity. Next option, precise agenda with flexible execution. And third one, since you have been to Bangalore, you're familiar with Bangalore. Team meetings where half the participants are stuck in traffic.
Oh,
Very common.
Being an Austrian, it's so I can make jokes on both sides. Right? But I prefer the last option because it's already happening. And you've got to get used to it because it's not necessarily the people's fault, it's just the traffic happening that way.
Unfortunately, Bangalore is pretty crucial, pretty bad when we talk about the traffic. So, Mr. Balaji, last and best for you now. By 2030, Indian automotive manufacturing will be known for, number one, EVs that charge faster than the German trains arriving on time. Number two, cars that run on renewable energy and good wines. Number three, vehicle designed in Germany, built in India, and loved everywhere. And number four, self-driving cars that can navigate Indian traffic, which will be the ultimate test for AI.
Now, I think I'll go with the choice number 2,
Okay.
which is
Car runs on renewable.
car runs on renewable. Now, I think a lot of transformation is happening in India, which is not very visible. A lot of green energy is being made, and a lot of transformation is happening. So I think the infrastructure will catch up, and I think probably post 2030 we'll see the tilt that's going to happen, that will push a lot of EVs by that time. Yeah, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, first of all, a round of applause for that.